Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to view your Fifth Third Momentum checking account number and routing number. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for deposits and investments. Under deposits and investments, you will see your Fifth Third Momentum checking. Click on Fifth Third Momentum checking. Now on this page, below Fifth Third Momentum checking, you will see a More Details option. Click on More Details. Then it will show further details about your account. So you will see a section for account and routing number. Below that, you will see a blue text that says View Account/Routing Number. Click on View Account/Routing Number. And now you will see your routing number and account number. That's how you view your Fifth Third Momentum checking account number and routing number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.